You will love the features of this 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. This vehicle still has fewer than 20,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Pacifica is the ideal family hauler. Loaded with safety features and tech-focused amenities, it's powerful, quiet, agile, and offers flexible seating configurations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, remote engine start, cooled front seat, backup camera, fog lamps, power liftgate, electronic stability control, third row seat. It's so enjoyable to drive, you might forget it's a minivan. Take the Pacifica out for a drive and see for yourself.